Hey everyone, thanks for coming to cook with me today. We're going to be making a vegetable beef soup that's going to serve 6 and it's going to cost you just a little over $5, so keep watching. Also, if you're not already, go ahead and push that subscribe button down below if you enjoy the videos that I'm making. And if you would also consider pushing the like button, the thumbs up down below as well. That will let me know that you enjoyed this video and get my channel out there. So let's get cooking.
What you're going to need today are a couple packages of mixed vegetables, a couple of potatoes, ground beef, Worcestershire sauce, diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, Italian seasoning, and bay leaf. I'm going to add in my mixed vegetables, my ground beef or ground turkey with onions, 2 cans of tomato sauce or 1 can of tomato soup, 1 can of diced tomatoes, and you do not need to drain that, a teaspoon of garlic, minced, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and this just kind of wakes it up, and a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to do a little bit extra because I like Worcestershire sauce. A bay leaf, 2 potatoes. You want to dice those up. And 4 cups of beef broth. I made the beef broth with beef bouillon cubes. I just find it's a little bit less expensive that way. I'm just going to stir everything up. Go ahead and put your lid on. And you can cook this on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for about 4 hours.
Here was our final product. I apologize, I forgot to film before we dug in because it was so good. Let's break down the cost for you. Today, the beef that we used was actually free that we got from a family member, but the most cost-efficient way is to use ground turkey for $2.13 a pound. The tomato sauce for 2 cans was 50 cents. The diced tomatoes were 45 cents. The potatoes were 40 cents. And the mixed vegetables were $2. And for the rest of the seasonings, garlic and the beef bouillon cubes, that totals 11 cents. Bringing the grand total to $5.58 for the whole meal that serves 6. So that's under $1 per meal. And this is a crowd pleaser. I can guarantee you my husband loves it. Thank you guys again for coming and cooking with me today. If you like this video, please press that like button that's down below. And if you want to continue seeing videos like this, push that subscribe button that's also down below. Push the notification bell. That is going to let you know anytime I upload a video so you don't miss anything. Also, what is your favorite crock pot meal that's inexpensive? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And I'm going to go for now, but I'll see you all next time. Bye.